The universal law of as within, so without. The universe and your surroundings rearrange themselves to bring you what you believe and to reflect your existing reality. So it is literally as within, so without. Your outside world is really an exact reflection of your inner world. This is how your lessons on earth are presented to you. So look at your life and see what you have in your life. Do you like your friends? Do you like your job? Are you happy in your relationships? Are you really happy in your life? Whatever is presented to you in your life is how you feel on the inside. If you understand this, then your life may be easier for you. How you feel is reflected back to you in your reality. You are manifesting your life based on how you are feeling. Your feelings create your reality. If you are angry on the inside, you will find angry people in your life who are mirroring your anger back to you. The more angrier you are, the more angrier friends you will have. Like attracts like. So simple as that. Like attracts like. Your anger is attracting angry friends. This is also true if you have suppressed anger. If you are angry on the inside and hide this anger, you will still attract angry friends. You may hide your anger from your friends, but you can't hide this from yourself. If you feel abandoned, people may leave you, withdraw emotionally, or even die. Again, how you feel is reflected back to you in your reality. You are manifesting your life based on how you are feeling. Your feelings create your reality. If you beat yourself up with your thoughts or are self-critical, you will attract people who will reflect this by putting you down or even physically hating you. Again, look at your life and your situations. What would you like to change? If you change on the inside, your outside will change as well. If you feel loved, safe, secure, and happy on the inside, you will have a safe, secure, and a happy life surrounded by people who love you. Also, your inner integrity will be matched by those around you. The people in your life will be honest, creative, generous-hearted, or modest to the extent that you are. Always remember that peace within leads to outside peace in your life. As within, so without. So, if you wish to change something in your life, you must look within yourself to alter your attitudes and beliefs in order for your outer world to change. Change yourself on the inside and watch your outer world change. You must make the change and not wait for others to change. To have something you have never had before, you must do something you have never done before. Instead of arguing with someone, have peace in your hearts and not argue. Watch as the other person stops arguing. Tell them you are sorry even if you feel they are at fault, and watch them apologize to you as well. It is better to be happy than right. Do not let your emotions and ego dictate your life. People will always resonate at your energy level. If you have love in your heart, you will attract loving people in your life. As within, so without. And if they don't, you may need to love them from a distance. You will always know how you feel. If you are kind and generous, you will have people in your life who are kind and generous to you. You are manifesting your reality based on how you feel. When you feel better and good about yourself and your life, you are resonating at a higher energy vibration, and you will tend to love more and have more joy in your hearts. So look at your life and make the appropriate changes to get you to laugh more and shift your consciousness level higher. We are at a time of a great shift occurring as we speak. And as a friend of mine always says, have smiles to share. Peace, everybody. As within, so without.